Research has shown that adult content addiction is more common among men than women. According to a 2018 survey by an adult content website, their website alone received over 33.5 billion visits that year, with the majority of their visitors being male. Another study published in the Journal of Sex Research found that 71% of men reported using adult content at least once a month, while 21% reported using it daily. The study also found that men who reported using adult content more frequently were more likely to experience negative consequences, such as relationship problems and lower sexual satisfaction. While not all men who consume adult content develop addiction, the prevalence of this issue highlights the importance of understanding the potential risks associated with excessive consumption and seeking help if necessary. These potential risks include distorted perceptions of sex and relationships, leading to unrealistic expectations and potentially damaging behaviors in real-life situations, decreased sexual satisfaction because of desensitization to sexual stimuli, and difficulty experiencing pleasure during sexual activities, anxiety or depression, particularly if they feel guilty or ashamed of their consumption, social isolation as individuals may prioritize their consumption over spending time with friends and family or engaging in other activities. But when do you say that it is already an addiction? Here are some common symptoms and signs of addiction to adult content. Difficulty controlling one's consumption of adult content. Individuals may find themselves repeatedly watching even when they have attempted to cut back or quit. They may spend several hours a day consuming adult content or engaging in related behaviors which can interfere with their daily responsibilities and activities. Over time, individuals may develop a tolerance to adult content, requiring more extreme or taboo material to achieve the same level of arousal. If an individual attempts to stop consuming adult content, they may experience withdrawal symptoms such as irritability, anxiety, or difficulty sleeping. Addiction to adult content can also impact an individual's ability to maintain healthy relationships with friends, family, or romantic partners. They may also hide or lie about their consumption of adult content to avoid judgment or negative consequences. It's important to note that experiencing one or two of these symptoms does not necessarily indicate addiction. However, if an individual is experiencing multiple symptoms and feels their consumption of adult content is negatively impacting their life, seeking help from a mental health professional may be beneficial. Seeking professional help for addiction to adult content is important for several reasons. Addiction to adult content can be difficult to overcome without support from a mental health professional. A therapist or counselor can provide guidance and support as an individual navigates the recovery journey. Addiction to adult content may be a symptom of underlying mental health issues, such as depression, anxiety, or trauma. A mental health professional can help identify and address these underlying issues, which may be contributing to addiction. Regular appointments with a therapist or a counselor can also provide accountability and support, which can be crucial in the recovery process. A mental health professional can help an individual identify triggers for consumption and provide strategies for avoiding relapse. Finally, seeking professional help can lead to improved mental health and overall well-being. With the help of a mental health professional, individuals can learn to manage their addiction, reduce negative symptoms, and build a more fulfilling life. Overall, addiction to adult content can significantly impact cognitive function, particularly decision-making and impulse control, which can interfere with an individual's ability to make healthy choices and prioritize important aspects of their life. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction to adult content, it's important to know that you are not alone and help is available. Here are some resources and encouragement to support those struggling with addiction. Reach out for help. It can be difficult to ask for help, but reaching out to a mental health professional or support group is an important step in overcoming addiction. You can speak with your primary care physician or seek referrals from friends or family for recommendations on therapists or counselors in your area. Connect with support groups. Support groups can provide a sense of community and offer a safe space to discuss experiences with others who understand what you're going through. Consider joining a support group for individuals struggling with addiction, such as Sex Addicts Anonymous or Porn Addicts Anonymous. Educate yourself on addiction. Understanding the nature of addiction and the factors that contribute to it can be helpful in the recovery process. Consider reading books or articles on addiction to adult content or attending informational sessions on the topic. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is an important part of the recovery process. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Take things one step at a time. Overcoming addiction is a journey, and it's important to be patient and compassionate with yourself throughout the process. Celebrate small victories and remember that setbacks are a normal part of the recovery process. Remember that addiction is a treatable condition and recovery is possible. By reaching out for help, connecting with support groups, practicing self-care, and taking things one step at a time, individuals struggling with addiction can overcome their addiction and live a fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. If you like our stuff, subscribe for more motivational content. See you in the next video.